Chalo, you are late today. I am only first early today. Hmm? Shuvendu, why late? Hmm? Hmm. Eman, how late today? Hey guys, good morning. Every day we need to say hey guys, no, otherwise I will not get sleep on that day. Chalo. Am I audible to you? Can you please confirm the chat? Started, I write up everyone? Statistics? Saturday you have a statistics exam and Python exam, both. Saturday both statistics and Python. Okay. You are laughing, huh? Python only 5 questions, na? Statistics, how many questions you want? 5, huh? अरे एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन बोलो रे एमसीक्यू एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस how many topics are this is 24 huh? Today some more topics 30 questions हाँ sir बोलो sir क्या sir 30 minutes 30 question 30 minutes huh? Yesterday one of my cousin is there, the bank exam is there, he asked me to write. Okay, I opened that exam, 2 minutes 18 questions, mathematical questions, 2 minutes 18 questions. 2 minutes 18 questions. 18. 18. I solved 16. That 2 minutes. That is 18 questions. अरे आ गया नंबर प्लेट डिटेक्शन, नंबर प्लेट अरबिक वाला. नो नो ओनली वन इमेज ना, पहले वन इमेज का. हम्म ये लो फाइन ट्यून ना, ऑब्जेक्ट डिटेक्शन यू डन, नंबर एक्सट्रैक्टेड. वी वांट नंबर एक्सट्रैक्ट द नंबर पहले, बाद में ये लो. यू नो ओसीआर. We'll discuss after the class. Are you practicing Python? I left the Python. How many are practicing? Sachi bolo. Online people. Get in some confidence, no Python. Pakka? Python is okay right now? Some at least. Thoda. Confidence. We can able to write, sir. If you practice like this, okay, we can get, sir. Like that confidence. Online people. Arshini, Sainath, Gurumurti, Billa. Oh, Billa. Swapna, Arshini. In my area, there is one guy's name called Billa. Very good. Practice karo. Practice karo. Practice it. Python practice karo. Every day 10 questions or 20 questions practice karo. Don't leave the Python. Okay. You can stop the watching the Mirzapur series now, but do the Python practice. First practice the Python, then we can do some miracles. And everyone today you do the VS Code again. VS Code and share the screenshots. Share the screenshots. VS Code again. Okay. How to do, right? How to change the directory, how to create the folder, create a folder, and create a Python file, create a Python file, and then next, how to run the Python file, So these 3 things again, I want screenshot today only, because Saturday we will do how to create the applications. How to create the applications on Saturday. So you should not back, na? So you should learn VS Code in and out. So do this today, okay? Create a folder, create a Python file, how to run a Python file. Now I'm creating assignment for that quickly. You share the screenshots and also upload in the assignments. VS Code assignment. Some people in our industry, they don't know how to create the VS Code, how to use the VS Code also. People are laughing at them. I have seen personally. So many, my manager level candidates or team level, they will talk about developers. This guy doesn't know that also. This guy doesn't know that also. We need to check the background verification once again. Like that we'll talk. Okay. So their name is at the 3 years experience, but they don't know how to create a data frame also. How to use also. So like that. Students should be always be careful. Why I am teaching everything here. Not for time pass, na? Okay. You should learn it. This is the time to learn. You agreed that you paid the fee and you came here, na? So it's the time to learn. Whatever I'm teaching, you need to learn, you need to. That is only the job. Okay. Only breathing and doing. Breathing and doing. That's all. No other job here. 5 months. Then only your life will be better. Always. Remember that. Yesterday we have one discussion is there. Yesterday there the guy is there. Like 3 years of experience. You don't know how to create a. Why it is not coming? You don't know how to create a data frame also. How to create a data frame also, he doesn't know. That is very bad, no? Then we talk with the guy called who has interviewed him. Who has interviewed him? We talked him. Then some internal discussion. And packages. Package is almost 15 lakhs for 3 years only. Huge package, but you don't know anything. Then how people will think like that. Imagine that you are in my position. There is another guy is like that is there. How you will think? Will you happy? You will not happy, na? Then how other guy will happy? Like that. That's a learn as much as we can. When I'm saying that means you need to do means you need to do. That's all real time use cases. Because I will go out and I will do. I'm not only doing here only, na? Here is only textbook knowledge only. Every day I will do the office things. Whatever we are doing. Now see in the last hour, old batch student is there. Now he has interview is there tomorrow. He is submitting the assignment now. I given the office laptop. There's a code is there. Copy karo, execute karo. Now he's working on my office laptop. Like that. I am ready to give so much help to you in or other way. But in return, you need to do also practice much, na? Like that. When I say 9 o'clock batchmates, so many people, good people are there. They are learning very much. So I need to also competitive with them. So I want to give more. Like that, I want to think. So that is a motivation. Chalo. Tuesday motivation. Okay. Monday motivation nahi de na. Chalo, we'll do that. Data dispersion, the first one is called range. 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 The first one is called what? Range. Put heading range. First one is what? Range. Some people are talking with me like, sir, I'm practicing, but I'm not able. Now when I'm doing practicing, I'm doing good at Python. But when I recall, I won't recall, I'm not able to recall. This happened. This will happen. Okay. When I want to teach my mother, her name, when I'm teaching, she is doing. When I ask tomorrow, she is not able to do. Why? Because she didn't study. Yeah, she didn't went school. So what happened? Every day she is practice. Every day she practice. Finally, what happened? She perfect. That only. Those who are feeling like that means 1 time, 2 time practice is not enough. 20 times, 100 times practice is required. 100 times, 200 times practice is required. Then it will come. Even though if it is not coming, then you need to talk with me. 1 time, 2 time practice is not enough, ma. Because you don't know about computer before, you don't know about computer knowledge, you're not in the IT field at all. It takes some time. It same definitely takes some time. Okay. Because suddenly I want to, there is some, you are in the different field, suppose finance field, suddenly you are going to some IT domain. It's little tricky, na? That's why. So that's why it will take some time. Don't worry. Practice 100 time, 200 time karo. Pakka it will come. That only always remember. There is only 100 logics only will be there in the Python. There is no 101 logic. There is no 101 logic. Practice 100 logics. आ जाएगा. So range is a range will give how a data is distributed from starting point to ending point. Range will be give the how a data is distributed from starting to point to ending point. So suppose consider a raw data. Consider student marks. The starting with 1 mark. And ending with 99 marks. So the data is flowing from 1 mark to 99. The data is flowing so that the data is flowing from 1 mark to 99 marks. So the lowest mark equal to 1 and highest mark equal to 99. So the range of the data is equal to highest minus lowest, that is equal to 99 minus 1, that is equal to 98 parts. 98 parts. That is called range, ma. It is called range. Very easy, that is. Range. It is called range. How your data is distributed from starting point to ending point. Consider student marks is 1 mark and ending with 99 marks. So the data is flowing from 1 mark to 99 marks. Lowest equal to kitna re? 1. Highest equal to range equal to highest minus lowest. Simple naive approach, that is. The drawback here is it will not consider middle parts, middle values. It not consider the middle values. It consider only high value and low value. It not consider the middle value. We don't know how many marks are getting middle. So many people can get 30 marks, 50 marks, 60 marks. We are not worrying about that. We are only worrying only highest point and lowest point. That is the drawback. The drawback here is we will not consider the middle values. That's why it is not useful. It will not use. This is a drawback. It is the drawback. Now, second one. Second one is called. Now, range हो गया. Mean deviation. Mean deviation. Mean deviation. Mean deviation. Mean deviation means how a data point is deviated from the mean. how a data point how a data point is deviated from mean. How a data point is deviated from mean. How a data point deviated from mean. Look at the board here. Suppose, look at the board here. So there is some points are there. 1 comma, there's some points are there here. 1 comma, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what is the mean point? What is the mean point? 3 is the mean point. Correct? Huh? 3 is the mean point. You can calculate it. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus by divided by 5. 3 will come. And this is the first point, x1. This is x1. This is what happened, ma? x2. This is also x3. It is also x3. It is also x3. This is also x4. X4 and this is also x5. Now our reference is mean is our reference. Our reference is the mean is our reference. How much this first point is deviated from the mean point? How much that is? X bar minus x. X bar minus x1. Who is x bar? 3 minus 1. How many units is the deviated now? 2 units. 2 units is the deviated. How many units this is? 1 unit. These are 2 units. How many units deviated this is? That is equal to minus 1. How many units deviated this? Minus 2. Some people write this is a minus and this become plus. What is the plus? What is the minus means? Direction. What is the plus and what is the minus means? Direction. You are 2 units deviated, my back means minus 2 units. You are 2 units, my front means that's the plus 2 units. That's the we learn in the current direction in electronics. I is equal to the answer, final answer, what will get? 5 amps. Some people will get what? Minus 5 amps. How many are electronic students? Do you remember this? What your teacher told? You assume that direction is wrong. Negative direction and positive direction. So what I am saying is, it is just a direction. So positive means you are ahead. Negative means you are back. And vice versa. Vice versa. So here ultimately, you need to consider one reference point. Suppose you take in India, Nagpur is a reference point, suppose. If you go to the Nagpur, you can go to anywhere in India. Okay, that's the beauty of Nagpur. So, how much distance Delhi from Nagpur? How much distance Hyderabad from Nagpur? How much distance that Bhavnagar is from Nagpur? Like that. So, which is the reference here? Nagpur. In the data also, who is the reference? Mean value. The data, who is the reference? Mean value. That is called middle value. No? Mean means again. That's why that term is called mean deviation. Mean deviation. How a data point is deviated from the mean. Understood now? Chalo. Note on it now. Online people, clear? What the mean deviation means? Manikant is good, Shashwat is good, Jay Jarwal is good. Doubt, ma? What is the doubt, ma? Jay Jarwala. What is the doubt, ma? We can use the median also. Okay. That's called median deviation. Okay, na, ma? We can use that also. If this guy is saying that high omkar, then come. Okay. Yeah. You are only asking the question, you are only giving the answer. Huh? Wow. Very good. Good improvement. Assume that Assume that 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 are the values and the mean value that is equal to x bar. What we can write ma? X bar. कितना रहे x bar? X bar. Writing bar is very tough nowadays. Alright? I will hit this now. Okay, na? Why pi is coming? Very bad. We'll make this x. Then just top, about top. Just top, like this, huh? Who's that just top? That is x I can modify. I want bar. I write like this. Very good. X bar is equal to 3. Okay? X bar is equal to 3. Now we can write x1. x1 is equal to kitna re? 1. x2 is equal to, because I want to make the formula our own formula. 2. x3 is equal to 3. And x4 is equal to 4. And x5 is equal to 5. x5 is equal to 5. Now write the deviation, the deviation of x1 from mean x bar equal to x1 minus x bar. Okay, nama? That is equal to 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 2. X bar minus x of n. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is good only, no? Negative values will come. We'll discuss all. What you're saying correct only. This is good. Write all the 5 values first. Write all the first 5 values. The deviation of x2 from here. Write all the 5 values. The deviation of x2, x3, x4, x5. So here x2, here x3, here x4, here x5. And here 2, here 3, here 4, here 5. And here minus 1, here 0, here 1, here 2. Very good. Easy, na? So far, we need to make our own formula. We don't need to buy the formula. Omkars are students who should create the formulas, not should buy the formulas. From the concept, we need to make our own formula. That is only our target. What the minus 2 means, ma? Minus 2 means negative deviation. Negative value means it is a back from the mean. 2 units again below. It is x1 has 2 units below from the mean point. From the mean point. From the mean point. Plus 2 means 2 units ahead from the mean point. 2 units. Suppose x5 plus 2. This is x1. 2 units ahead. Ahead from the mean point. So far everyone is good, ma? Online people, please confirm the chat. Now very important point will come. Good, right, everyone? Tutulaya, Shubham, Sweta, Vishwangan, Manish, Soumya, Sainath. Sainath is saying Sai only. Akhil, Arshini, Dhananjaya. Shubham, yesterday you are there? Jaya. Now the total deviation. The total deviation equal to सब add करो x1 minus x bar plus x2 minus x bar. Do it. x2 minus x bar plus x3 minus x bar plus x4 minus x bar plus x5 minus x bar. This is the total deviation. Total deviation equal to total deviation equal to okay now. Now can we make into summation formula? Summation. What is common? What is changing? Likho. What is common? What is changing? Very good. Summation I to n and x. Very good. This is I equal to 1. I equal to 1 to 5. I equal to 1, 5. I missed this. xi. Xi. That is only formula, na? I varies from 1 to 5. I varies from 1 to 5. I varies from 1 to 5. Actually, I need to write 5 here. I varies from 1 to 5. I n. This we already discussed now. I equal to 1 to 5. Generally, the total deviation they will write divided by mean also. How many points are there? That's called mean deviation. They'll divide it with how many points are there here? 5. So 1 by 5 divided by 5. Here also what will come? 1 by 5. That is the formula. Here xi instead of xi what will come? I. Instead of x what will come? I. So this is called total deviation. Total deviation. Now there are n points are there, not only 5 points, n points are there. How the formula will look like? Say it loudly. 1 by n. Now tell me xi. I is equal to 1 to n. Very good. Now write the formula. Now mean deviation equal to formula equal to now Suppose there are n points are there. Suppose there are n points are there. N points are there. Then the mean deviation equal to 1 by n into that's it. See, now you got the formula for n. Which one, ma? Which one? What is the zero? That will do. Not always zero. Sometimes zero, sometimes we don't know. No? Then zero. Then zero. That is only drawback. We'll discuss that. Not must. Always zero is the bad. Okay. I know nowadays you are become so enthusiastic, but you forget one word. Keep calm. Say it, keep calm. Trust. That is only next we will discuss. You are not giving chance to me also. Give me some chance, no? Yeah, formula gun now. Everyone say the formula. Mean deviation formula is what? Bolo, mean deviation formula. 1 by n into summation of I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar. If you by heart now formula, I will kill you now. Okay. We'll update all the formulas. Now I'm making the one formula list also. All the formula list will take that. One Word document I'm making. Now onwards we'll update the formulas. We'll update the formulas. The first formula, range equal to highest minus lowest. Any other formulas are there? Mean, median, mode, that also will update then. That also will update. We'll update all the formulas. What is the second formula? Mean deviation. All the formulas together will keep all the subject formulas. Then that will be useful for your interview also. Next, drawback. What is the drawback in this? Now you are saying, what is the drawback? We are seeing the each point ka deviation, but when you add the total deviation, kitna aata? When you add in total deviation, what is coming? 0. That is the drawback. Now write the drawback. Now the drawback is, we are seeing individually, individual observations has deviation. But when you sum up, when we add all the deviations, it might becomes 0. So we can't give an exact approximate average deviation. We are not able to give. Now, if you give here value total deviation equal to that is equal to -2, -1, +0, +0, +1, and +2. That is equal to 1 by 5. That is equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5. And what is the answer is coming again? Total equal to 0. Then you are seeing the individual observation deviation, but your mathematics saying what? No deviation. Mathematics is fail here. We can't proceed. You can't say average distance from Nagpur to some every area, suppose 100 kilometers. You can't say that now. Every area is 0 kilometers. That is wrong, na? We are saying Hyderabad is almost 600 kilometers, but you are saying Hyderabad 0 kilometers. That is the mathematics failing here. So what is the drawback, ma? We are seeing individual observations have the deviation, but when we add all the deviations are might become 0. Clear everyone, online people? Can you please confirm the chat? Clear everyone? Now Mohit and Shuvendu are very enthusiastic. Okay. They are working on this. Array, why it has become 0? Then what we will do? Why it become 0? Because the minus plus cancel हो जाएगा. Then Mohit given the idea to Shuvendu. Okay, minus को plus करो. हो गए ना? Minus को plus करो. Minus is the problem. Then minus को plus करो. That is the Mohit idea. Now Shuvendu is working on the mathematics. Who is the guy will convert minus to plus? Tell me, who is the guy? Who is the guy? Now, our two thick friends are there now. We got two friends. Who is that? Mohit and Shuvendu. Shuvendu. They're talking each other. Now Mohit is saying that Mohit is giving the idea because of minus values and plus values, because of minus values and plus values, now total value become what happened? 0. Total value equal 0. Now we will convert minus to plus. Minus to plus. Then Shuvendu agreed that. That is only good only. Then Shuvendu is working on the mathematics. Now Shuvendu started doing working. What is that? Who is the guy? Which mathematical equation? Who will convert minus to plus? Bolo, who is that? Help to Shuvendu, na? Multiply by minus, huh? Okay, Eman saying that multiply by minus. Very good. Next. Multiply by minus. Next. Only one answer, huh? Tell me. We can take the minus values today. Outside equation. Okay, you want to change that is. Then that place will come to this side, no? That only. Who is the conversion? Tell me, online people, help to Shuvendu. Square root, absolute value, very good. Are online people, you are not, online people are saying, offline people are not saying, why? Square root क्या करता? Square root क्या करता? Minus to plus करता ना? Mod क्या करता? And then why you are not saying, right? Say it. Modulus is the one operation and square root is another operation. Square root. Chalo. That's why the next one is called absolute mean deviation. What is the next concept? Now third one is called absolute mean deviation. Lelo. Exactly, I'm copying now. Absolute mean deviation. So we have a drawback. We want to proceed that further. Absolute mean deviation is the third one. Going on now? Understood a story, everyone? Why we are going absolute? What is absolute matlab re? Absolute means mod. Absolute nothing but what? Mod. Modulus. Mod x. Now x becomes mod x ma. X become what happen? Mod x. X become mod x. Means suppose x is equal to minus 2 is there, then mod x will what happen? Plus 2. That is equal to x is equal to minus 2 is there, then it becomes mod x means mod minus 2, that is equal to 2. Now all the equations are become what now? Instead of x1 minus x bar, what will come? Mod of x1 minus x bar. Everything what will apply now? Apply mod now. Apply mod like this. Every equation become what happen now? Mod only. Instead of normal equation, what we are writing now? Mod. Change it. Now it become mod of x1 minus x bar. That is the beauty. Now next one is x2 minus x1 bar. Understood, Jai Jariwala? x2 minus x bar. Next what happen? x3 minus X bar mod. Everywhere mod only. Everywhere mod only, ma. Everywhere mod only. Do that. Change it. Change it. Without seeing, you need to write it. Without seeing. Without seeing, ma. X2. X2. X3. X4. X5. Now mod here. Here also mod. Here also mod. Here also mod. Modulus. 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 Chakri. Sanjay Soni message చేసిండా సంజయ్ సోని chat open mod of -2. Sanjay Soni is my manager. Today so many meetings are there. Some demos are there today. 0 చేసిండా అచ్చా పోయిందా ఇది తీసేయి అయిపోతుంది తీసేయి తీసేయి రాణి తీసేయి గూగుల్ కొలాపూర్ తీసేయి తీసేయి అంతేరా అదేనా ఓకేనా పిల్లో ఇంపోర్ట్ పిల్లో నువ్వు తీయలేదు ఇంపోర్ట్ పిల్లో తీసావా ఇంపోర్ట్ పిల్లో చేయి ఇంపోర్ట్ పిల్లో డేట్ మా 1 బార్ కూర్చో ఇక్కడ that is equal to 1 that is equal to 2 now final equation कैसे modify करेगा final equation बोलो final equation see now you are making your own formulas that's credit goes to Shuvendu and Mohit give party to them tomorrow mod 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 everywhere mod only here also what will come mod let like this that's it here what also what will come final formula mod xi this is the equation it is called absolute mean deviation absolute is there na absolute nothing but what mod absolute mean deviation muchunjay okay na by 5 because 5 values are there we'll take finally average value okay we will add it and finally in that also will take average value okay in that also will take only average value because we are adding all the values na which one because we are divided by because of 5 values are there suppose n values are there divided by with n that's why so everyone understood the mean deviation everyone understood the absolute mean deviation can I assume that pakka online people say yes ab bolo what is the drawback in this what is the drawback in this what is the drawback in this Hmm? Mid value, not mid value. What is the mid value in this? What is the drawback? In order to draw back, generally people will teach only directly variance and standard deviation. No one will teach absolute mean deviation because absolute deviation is very, very important. I don't know why they are not teaching. But in order to that, first you need to draw the graph of mod x. Graph of mod x. Graph of the mod x. Chalo, make a table. Moy, Manish, come on. X ले लो, Y ले लो, -4, -3, -2, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here X ले लो. Here mod X ले लो. Here -4, -3. Fill the table. -2. Acha, -3 I will take. -3, -2, -1, 0, and 1, 2, 3. And what the answers will come? 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Liko, fill the table. ఇలా అన్నమాట. ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటిది పిల్లోనా? వచ్చింది కదా. నో మంచి పిల్ డాట్ ఇమేజ్ ఇది చూడు. ఫ్రమ్ పిల్లో నో డ్రా ద గ్రాఫ్ మా. ఇంపోర్ట్ ఇమేజ్. అది క్యాపిటల్ ఇమేజా స్మాల్ ఇమేజా చూడు. స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్ అంటది. క్యాపిటల్ ఇమేజ్ నా క్యాపిటల్. ఓ మా చూడండి పిల్లో ఎక్కడ ఉంది పిల్లో? పిఎల్ సారీ ఫ్రమ్ పిఐఎల్ నా. ఇప్పుడు వేరే డైరెక్టరీ అంట, ఫైల్ దొరకలేదంట, ఫైల్ లేదంట. ఆ ఫైల్లో ఆ లొకేషన్లో ఉన్నాయి చూడు ఫైల్స్. ఓకేనమ్మా, చలో విల్ డ్రా ద గ్రాఫ్. Oh, not parabola. You are drawing wrong. Will teach. X-axis, Y-axis, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. X is varies from where to where ma? -3 to 3. Mod X answers क्या है? Mod X answers. Only 1, 2, 3, yeah? Only 1, only 2, only 3. The graph will be look like this ma. V shape. Graph will be V shape. Are na exactly? Graph will be V shape ma. Graph will be look like V. Okay, graph will look like V. Okay, don't draw curve. Okay, don't draw nonsense. You need to take the coordinate geometry graph. Buy the graph book and draw like this. We will come. Okay. See, what is the first point? Ayman, tell me. -3 to 3, first point. First point is this, -3 to 3. That's why it will start here. Second point kitna? -2 to 2. And third last point is -1 to 1, 0, again this, and again this. If you connect the dots, we will come. Connect the dots, we will come. If you connect the dots, we will come. We'll connect the dots, we will come. Okay, na? Very good. So control A, control C, control V. Always remember ma, ये x का पावर कितना? x का पावर कितना? पावर पावर, अरे बोलो पावर स्टार, पावर कितना? Power equal to 1 means it is like a straight line always. Power equal 1 means what happen? Always a linear line. Line should be linear. Okay. Power equal to 2 means that is non-linear. Remember that always. That our math teacher told me in the 9th class. Power equal to 1 means that's called y is equal to x. How the graph look like? Straight line, why? Because it's the power equal to kitna? 1. Right, that power equal to 1 means line will be always as a straight line only. Line as straight line only. Straight line means linear line. Means linearity. Linear. Linear. Always remember this. Always remember this. Clear, ma, everyone? Clear, right, everyone? Can you please confirm the chat? Now the drawback in the V shape is what, ma? Look at the board here. This is very, very important. This is very, very important. Now, Ayman want to go from here to here, ma. Okay, without break the line, without stop it. Without stop it, now Ayman wants to go from this point to this point. Is that possible or not possible? Without stopping. Possible or not possible? Without stop. Say loudly, online people. Are simple question, re? Ask your brother to go from to here, travel or not travel without stop. So I'm going, suppose I'm your brother. I'm going. Sorry, I deviated. I know I'm very bad at drawings. Are? Okay, I'll start here only. Now, I want to go from here. Here, who is coming? Stop. That is the problem in mathematics. Not continuous. Are you getting something in the mathematics? Intermediate mathematics. There's no continuous point means differentiation, integration will fail. Mathematics is saying that if an equation is not continuous means there is no differentiation. Differentiation will fail. Understood? Your teacher already told that in the childhood, but you forget. Now you remember, na? Easy trick only. What is the easy trick? We can't go like free line. We are stopping here, na? That means line is not continuous. Whenever line is not continuous means mathematics fail. Mathematics fail. Where it is continuous? At point what? 0. At point what? 0. Suppose mod x you take, mod x ka differentiation. Google it. Mod x ka differentiation. Google it. You don't need to learn differentiation. Just Google it. Mod x ka differentiation kya? Mod x ka differentiation kya? Google it. You don't want Google it also. That also I need to say. Arre kya re? Mod x. Mod x. Differentiation of mod x. That is the rule. mod x का differentiation क्या हुआ रे डेवलपर्स? लास्ट mod x का differentiation क्या? 1 minus 1 ना, 1 and minus 1 ना. अरे बाप रे. हाँ, come on. That is the rule. I am asking the equation. Suppose if anyone asks you x square का differentiation क्या will, what will say? 2x ना? 2x you will say ना? In the same way, tell me mod x का differentiation. Why are saying x is equal to 0, bhai? Tell me the equation बताओ ना. 1 by x mod x by x 1 by x or mod x by x? X by mod x Mod x by x, 1 by x. Option 1. Option 1 is 1 by x. Option 2 is mod x by x. Option 3 is x by mod x. Option 4 is, don't ask me, sir. Whatever is the answer, keep the x is equal, what is the culprit here? X is equal, which point is the culprit? 0, na? Then put the 0, na? 1 by 0. What is the 1 by 0 answer? Not infinity, indeterminate. We are not able to determine. And that is the problem, na? What I am saying. X is equal to 0, we are not yet continuous. Continuous means who will fail? Mathematics fail. 1 by 0, what is failing? Mathematics failing. 0 by 0, what is failing? Mathematics is failing. 0 by 0, who is failing? Mathematics is failing. That is the rule. Understood now? Everyone, whenever you remember now only one point, if a equation is not continuous, mathematics fail. And that is the proof. What is the proof? Differentiation fail. What is the differentiation? You are giving 3 answers, but every answer is failing or successor? Fail only. Okay. And this is learning will differentiate from other students. This is the learning first point in the entire data science course. This learning is a differentiate from other students. If 2 guys are going interview, if you say this, the other guy doesn't say that. Who will got the job? Think about that. So only first point is what now is, the first point is, what is the first point? The mod x graph is not continuous graph. Write that first. Bullet point number 1. Mod x graph is not continuous. Not continuous means matlab kya hai? You can't try a free line. You can't go freely. How? X is equal to 0 failing, no? No, ma. That is equal to x tends to 0, x is equal to tends to delta you will take. You take here. Which one page? Which page? That only I am saying. That only I am saying continuous, you are saying sharp. That only I am saying. Okay. You are saying sharp. What is matlab sharp here? This only, na, your point. Your point is this only, na? That only my point only. That only I am writing, na? That only. That sharp point is there. Sharp point is not available at 0 point. That's why we are getting the failing. Suppose you take here. How can you got the differentiation for this? What is the equation of this? What is the equation of this? Y is equal to x. Differentiation, hai na? Why? That only. I am saying opposite. You are saying talking in opposite way. Because it is you are going from freely from here to here, na? That only. So in order to, you know already, but how can I teach to don't know people? That's why I'm saying to Ayman, start here to here. Ayman will understand, if you like this. That's why now Ayman will understand. I'm going here. He's what happened? Stopping. Then the stop point is there. That's why I'm not able to, my mathematics failing. For here is what happened? Stop point is not there. Then mathematics success. Like that. Okay, na? So now, first point is what, ma? The mod x is not continuous at point 0, which means we have what? We have a stopping point is there. We are stopping at 0. We are stopping at 0. So whenever any mathematics equation, you take any mathematical equation, any math equation fail because of non-continuous. So if you take the differentiation of mod x, You no need to understand about differentiation is file, but at least you understand the concept now. That is important. Here no one asks you, you need to derive the equation. Understand the equation. Understand the equation. If you take the differentiation of mod x, what is the mod x differentiation? Mod x by x, x by mod x. So x by mod x. Now apply the 0 here. Apply the 0. Apply the 0 here. Now at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. Now what is the answer, ma? 0 by 0 by 0. Suppose. Actually, mod 0 is not a useless thing, but for understanding, we are writing like that. That is called indeterminate form. Indeterminate. Indeterminate. Indeterminate form. That means not defined, which means not defined. Not defined. So there are very, very important thing only. Continuous equations are good. Discontinuous equations are not good. That's the bullet point. Which is mod x is which is equation? Discontinuous equation. So only the one bullet point, always remember. Continuous equation. Continuous equations are good. Continuous equations are good. Discontinuous equations are not good. Discontinuous equations are not good. That is the drawback, ma. Online people, now tell me, any doubts in this? Online students, ma. Understood, ma, everyone? Sainath is good, Sachwat is good. You no need to remember the mod x and x, but at least if anyone show the graph, you'll be able to say now continuous or discontinuous. At least. That is enough. That is the drawback. Which one? Y is equal to x square. That will discuss now. That will discuss. Now, that only. Now, Shubhendu is asking, now Shubhendu failed now here. Absolute mean deviation failed. What is the drawback here? We are applying what? Mod. Now, what is the next one? This gone. What is the next one? Square root. Next one, what do you do? Square root. Now, that is called variance. Now, everything will change on what one now? Now, square root. Likho everything. Square root. Now, every equation become what happened now? Square root. Now, you need to tell me how square root will be good. Same this mathematics concept. Okay, Nama? Now, fourth one is what? Square root. Fourth one is what? Variance. Variance. That means x become what happened now? Square. X become square. Do it all the squares. X is equal to minus 2 means becomes minus 2 square because what happened? 4. That will become 4. Likho everything likho. X minus x1 bar whole square. Do it fast. Without seeing the board, you need to do. Chakri. Path attaleda? Path correct ga nastaleda? Okkate image తీసుకున్నాను అయితే ఫస్ట్. Do it, ma. Mod remove karo. Do it, finish it. X bar. X bar. Square only first. Simple, na, ma. How can you convert minus into plus? How can you convert into minus into plus first? Do it fast, ma. Do it fast. X1 minus x1 bar whole square. కూర్చోండి ఇది అయిపోయినాక చేద్దాం. 2, 3, fast, ma, fast. Easy only now. Fourth one. Fifth one. Modulus is failing. That's why what we are doing? Square we are doing. We are doing what? Square. 3, 4, 5. 1 minus 3 whole square. Write it. 1 minus 3 whole square. and 2 minus 3 whole square. 2 minus 3 whole square. 3 minus 3 whole square. 3 minus 3 whole square. 4 minus 3 whole square. And 5 minus 3 whole square. I told now everyone will teach only variance and standard deviation directly, because some people know the mathematics, some people don't know the mathematics. That's why they will avoid. Trainers will avoid. But you should not avoid, ma. You should learn it. We are drawing the graphs na by our own. So now in the childhood you did not understand. Now you understand. Now you draw the graphs. Now draw the graphs. Now draw the graph. 1 square, 2 square, 2 square, 4 here, 1 here, 0, 1, 4. ठीक है ना? Now here what will happen? My everything. Square, square, square. लिखो. Square here, square here. Easy na ma, easy formulas only. Square here, square here. Here also square, and here also square. Here also square. Now x2 here. Now x3 here. Now x4 here. And x5 here, xi. N numbers are there. What is the formula now? Xi. Now this is a variance formula. Variance. Very, very famous. Variance. Variance formula. Variance. Variance formula. Variance. Why we are sticking this formula? Because now you draw the graph, you will understand now. Y is equal to x square graph. Parabola. Parabola. Y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square. Draw it, draw it, do it fast. అన్ని ఇమేజ్లు పెట్టే బదులు ఒక ఇమేజ్ పెడితే ఒక్క ఇమేజ్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుందా ఫస్ట్ చూద్దాం. ఇక్కడ ఏమంటుంది? ఫైల్ నాట్ ఫౌండ్ అని వస్తుంది. యూజర్ చక్రి డేటా ఎక్కడ ఉందా ఫైల్? నువ్వు ఒక పని చేయను, ఇక్కడే ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఫోల్డర్ మొత్తంలో ఫైల్స్ ఉన్నాయంటున్నాను, అంతేనా? చూపెట్టు ఫైల్, చూపెట్టు ఆ ఫోల్డర్ ఏది. ఒక నిమిషం పెట్టు. ఇది పైథాన్ ఇక్కడనా? Do it, ma. Do it, ma. Draw the graph, ma. Everyone, draw the graph. Users who check data sign, sole page, order, check internship, license plate, recognition, train. The directory. ఈ డైరెక్టరీలో ప్రాపర్టీస్లో .jpg. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తావు అంటే, ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఒకటే ఉంది కదా, ఈ ఇమేజ్ 1 అని ఉంది కదా, ఆ ఇమేజ్ ఒక్కటే పాస్ చేయి. ఇమేజ్ 1 దగ్గర img1 దగ్గర ఆ పాత ఒక్కటే, ఒక ఇమేజ్ పాత ఇవ్వు. లేకపోతే అది ఇక్కడ ఫైల్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టేసాయి ఒకటి. Do it, ma. Do it. X square. Draw the graph. Shwendu. Doing X square. Manish. Done. x square. X is equal to x square. X square ma. Now 9, 4, or 10, 25 question. 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. Now draw the graph. Draw the graph now. Here -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here 1, here 4, here 9. It is a parabola, ma. It is a parabola. It is a parabola. I am not drawing correctly, but it's coming like this. Okay, y is equal to x square graph. We'll take from Google. Y is equal to x square graph. Parabola. Y is equal to x square graph. See now, like this coming, huh? Parabola. Now go from here to there. You can go now. Now start from here and travel from here. You can easily go. No one will stop. I am deviating, but you will not deviate, okay? Before what happened, exactly here is there. You are stopping. That's called mod x. Now what happened? Non-linear. Power kitna? Y is equal to x square, na? Square means power kitna? 2. Power 2 means non-linear. Power 2 means non-linear. Power 1 means linear. Now by heart it. Now remember it. Okay. Okay. If you don't know before, it's okay, fine. Now learn it. Now learn it. Power equal to 2. So same like this we are writing here. Mod x power, it is a non-linear x square graph. Online people doing, amma? Online students, x square. X square is equal to power equal to 2. It is a parabola. 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 Non-linear. Non-linear. X is equal to 1 is a straight line. X is equal to square, parabola. Easy, now? Summation. We'll add summation. No? When you add summation, what happens? 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 0. 1 point might be 0. When you add a total, are we seeing value or not? So all 4 ma. All 4 I am writing now. All 4 I am writing. First one is range. Where one more thing is there that we will see tomorrow. First one is range ma. Bolo, first one is range. Next one is what ma? What is the formula? No need to by heart. X minus x bar na? Tell me. Summation of x minus x bar divided by n. Next one is what? Mod. Next one is what? That's all. Over. That is only they will ask in interview. What is the formula of variance? What is the formula of variance? What is the formula of variance? Summation of x minus x bar whole square. Before whole square, what we learn? Modulus. Before modulus, what we learn? Normal. That is only beauty of mathematics. So here. Tomorrow we need to learn about standard deviation. Why? What is the drawback of variance? Why we'll go for that? You just now you asked, na? Sir, root. Root will come next. Next who will come? Root will come. Easy nama. Slowly we are entering to little mathematics. Comforted, Online people. I told now in the demos, I will teach mathematics also. Slowly, slowly we are entering into little mathematics, ma. If you learn this in the textbook, na, then you will feel little bit, less. But if you understand where we started, how we progress, and where we ended, like that you need to learn. Samjha? Which summation? No, ma, not like that. First, you need to understand the formula. Okay, this is the what is the drawback? 0 is coming. That's why we are taking what? Mod. Okay, now this mod you are adding or not adding, that is forget about that. First of all, this mod is useful or not? That is the first question. If useful, then only we need to use. Mod is not useful because what happened? Discontinue. That's why we are going what? Square. We are going square. If 0 is coming or 0 is not coming later. 0, where is coming 0? Only 1 point is coming. This summation, na. Total deviation means what happened? Summation, na. If you summation this, what will happen? Total answer. 4 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 4. Kitna? 10, na? Where is 0? Total is 0, not is 0, na? This also will come not 0, but that mathematics is not useful. See, like Ayman said, you can multiply with -1 only, na? That also avoid 0 only, na? Then why we are going these equations? Because mathematics should work. Because machine learning is what? Mathematics. Which summation you are not asking? You are adding these two, na? You are saying that 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 is coming 6. So is avoiding 0. I want to use this. That only I am saying you should not use because it is what? Mathematics is failing. That I am saying. Understood? Here also no summation equal to 0, na? But we can use. Why? Because mathematics is what? Pass. Like that. Chalo ma. Thank you so much. You are talking only 1 point, ma. See, I am adding summation, na, ma. Again, you are talking only 1 point. When you add the total, what is coming, ma? Shubhra, Dash. When you add total, what is coming? That is the logic. Not only 1 point. Not only 1 point. Not only 1 point.
How we can detect this? I have used that CV2
Uh,
for detecting this.
because CV2 already that is a train model only. Pre-trained model.
Now,
No. YOLO is only 80 objects are there. Okay.